Fetch Rewards app updates can sometimes change how the app behaves, and common issues include loading problems, missing features, or the app not working correctly after an update. By the end, you'll know the main steps to fix Fetch Rewards after an update, including checking your app version, refreshing your account, and what to do if the problem continues. Start by checking whether the Fetch Rewards app is fully updated. Open your device's App Store, search for Fetch Rewards, and install any available update. If the app is already updated but still not working, close the app completely and reopen it. This forces the app to reload instead of continuing with a stuck session. The next step is checking your internet connection. Fetch Rewards needs a stable connection to load account information, offers, and receipt features correctly. If the app still has problems, restart your phone. A device restart can clear temporary issues that prevent apps from opening or loading correctly. You can also check whether the issue is limited to your account. Try signing out of Fetch Rewards and signing back and using the same account details. If your rewards, receipts, or account information look different after the update, check your account history inside the app before trying to submit anything again. This helps prevent duplicate uploads or repeated actions. Another fix is reinstalling the Fetch Rewards app. Delete the app, reinstall it from your official app store, and log back into your account. Before reinstalling, make sure you know the email address or login method connected to your Fetch account, so you can access the same profile again. If none of these steps fix the issue, contact Fetch Rewards support through the app. Include a description of the problem, your device type, and any screenshots showing the error. Support can check account-specific problems that cannot be fixed through normal troubleshooting. The fastest fixes are updating the app, restarting your device, checking your connection, and reinstalling Fetch Rewards if needed. If this guide helped you fix Fetch Rewards after an update, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and comment with the next app issue you want explained.